Hi everyone, this is teacher Anna, your online IELTS tutor from the Philippines. Now I just had a class with a Russian doctor who's aiming for a band score of 7 in IELTS writing, and she's aiming to go to the UK. Now she's taken the IELTS multiple times already, although she got 7 in the past, but that IELTS results, those IELTS results in the past have already expired. Now, she gave me very good feedback, and I would also like to share you a few of the things on why you too should enroll in my Task 2 writing course or online IELTS tutorials. First, writing is the only section of the IELTS test for which you cannot prepare on your own if you target Band 7 in writing. To improve your writing skills, you need to have your essays analyzed, graded, and marked by very experienced IELTS tutors. And lastly, IELTS writing is so difficult that you always postpone writing essays until later. When you pay for the course or the program, you will start doing a lot of practice, writing practice, whether you want it or not. And by forcing you a little bit, adding a bit of pressure on you, we are actually, I'm helping you. And hopefully you would contact me soon, and I hope to hear from you soon. Okay, bye for now.